What was your question? I said, well, what was that? And he said, oh, that was Mary in North Carolina having heart murmurs. She called me this morning. I just figured I'd take care of him for her really quick. And I was like, oh gosh. I mean, I look back on it. This is almost 30 years ago. I'm just like, I was scared. I
Yeah.
went up and said, hey, you're treating somebody somewhere else, aren't you? And he said, yeah, don't tell anybody. That you got to look up quantum mechanics. And so that's what started the journey with quantum mechanics, and like, okay, it's real. So that's where the knowledge comes in at is, somebody says, hey, I have heart murmurs. I never look at the heart. I ask what's causing that, because our hearts are really resilient.